Hey everybody, 3C Elite Investments here. This video we're going to be opening up the solgaleo lunala lunchbox collector's chest, whatever you prefer to call it. I got this at my local game store. They had it on sale for $19.99. Well, if I could ever get it open. Alright. Nice little art on there. Now inside here we have Litten, Rowlet, and Popplio. All three of those on the coin as well. And all three cards are promo cards. We have Sun and Moon base, Sun and Moon base, Steam Siege, Steam Siege, and Fates Collide. Side here we also have 4 pencils. Have Rowlet, Litten, Popplio on them. These right here are stickers. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And this is a notepad. You can jot down little notes about what Pokemon cards you still need, which ones you have, whatever you'd like to use it for. And last but not least, we have a nice little mini binder. It's got sleeves in there to hold some cards. And that is it for what's inside the collector's chest. Alright, how are we going to do this today? We'll do Fates Collide, then we'll do a Steam Siege, then a Sun and Moon base, then another Steam Siege, then another Sun and Moon base. Alright, let's get cracking. Also, on Thursdays, I'd like to try to start doing pack battles with other YouTube channels. If you would be interested, send me a message or leave a comment and let me know. I think it'd be really fun. Kind of get to know the community a little bit. Here we go. Halucha, Energy Pouch, Wormadam, Whismur, Mencino, Riolu, Binacle, Solosis, Reverse Hollow Seal, and looky there, a full art Mega Alakazam EX. I do not have one of those yet. You, my friend, get a sleeve. Pretty. Alright, next up, we got Steam Siege. Code card. Steelix Spirit Link. Rapidash. Nuzleaf. Hoppip. Nosepass. Nidoran. Litleo. Sneasel. Reverse Holo Steelix Spirit Link. And we have a non-holo rare Samurott. Alright, next one up is Sun and Moon base set. Green color code card and code card. And Araquanid. EXP Share. Spinda. Togedemaru. Stuffle. Marini. Dewpider. Bone Sweet. Reverse Holo Rotomdex. And a non-holo rare Cloyster. Next up, we are going to be doing the Steam Siege pack. See if this one treats us well. Come on, Daddy needs a full art. Well, not gonna hold my breath on a green color code card. Drifloon. Gardevoir Spirit Link. Duat. Apom. Mankey. Shellos. Krogunk. Tangela. Another Drifloon. Reverse Holo. And Among Us. That is a non-holo rare. Okay, last, but definitely not least. Least would be Steam Siege in my book. Anyhow, we got a Sun and Moon base. Started off with the, hey, let's finish this video off right. We got a white color code card. Nice. Rare Candy. Pinsir. How. Rowlet. Drowsy. Cutiefly. Makahita. Snubble. I see something shiny back there. Carvana. Reverse Holo. And we have a Espeon GX. Not too bad, not too bad. Get a sleeve for this Espeon here. So we got the full art Alakazam EX. And we got the Espeon GX. Let me know in the comments which one you guys like the best. I personally am a sucker for full arts, so this guy would be my favorite. Well, if you liked the video, please hit that like button down there. Subscribe as well, be greatly appreciated. And until the next one.